So you need to delete an old YouTube video. Be careful. One wrong click inside YouTube Studio could wipe out years of your hard work and all the valuable data that comes with it. In this video, I'm going to show you the right way to do it, step by step on both desktop and mobile. And I'll share the one thing you absolutely have to do before you hit that delete button to avoid losing everything for good. That's right, there's a right way and a very, very wrong way to remove a video from your channel. The wrong way can cost you irreplaceable data, mess with your channel's relationship with the YouTube algorithm, and erase the connection you've built with your audience. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know how to manage your content like a pro. I'm going to walk you through the single most important step to take before you even think about deleting. Then I'll give you a detailed, click-by-click tutorial for safely removing videos on your computer and phone. And finally, I'll show you the powerful alternatives that most experienced creators use to manage their channels without destroying their hard-earned progress. Before we even get close to that delete button, we have to talk about the golden rule of content removal. Always save a backup. When you delete a YouTube video, it is gone forever. It's not like a file on your computer that goes to a recycle bin. On YouTube, delete forever means exactly what it says. You can't get it back. All of the views, watch time, likes, comments, and all the analytics data tied to that video will be permanently erased. Losing this data isn't just about nostalgia, it's a strategic loss. That data tells the story of your audience and what they care about. Wiping it is like tearing pages out of your channel's playbook. So how do you protect yourself? You download the video first. Here's the simple but critical process for grabbing a copy of your own video directly from YouTube. First, sign into YouTube Studio, your channel's command center. From the menu on the left, click on Content. This brings up a list of every video you've uploaded. Find the one you plan to delete and hover your mouse over it. A few three-dot icons will pop up. Click the three vertical dots for the Options menu. From there, you'll see an option that says Download. Click it. Depending on your browser, the MP4 file will either start downloading or ask where you want to save it. Now, a heads up, while YouTube's native download tool is convenient, the resolution you get back might not be your original 4K file. It's often 720 or 1080p, but a lower resolution copy is far better than no copy at all. There are a few cases where the download option might be grayed out, like if the video has a copyright strike or you've tried downloading it too many times in one day. But for most videos, it's straightforward. By taking this one simple step, you've created a safety net. You have a personal backup, and you can now move forward knowing your work isn't totally lost. Alright, with your backup safely tucked away, we can get to the actual deletion. Let's start with the desktop method, which gives you the most control and is perfect if you're cleaning up more than one video. Just like before, head over to your YouTube Studio at studio.youtube.com. Once you're on your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Content. This is your complete video library. To delete a single video, find it in the list and hover your mouse over its row. The three-dot Options menu will appear. Click it. In the drop-down, scroll down to the bottom and find Delete Forever, right next to a trash can icon. YouTube knows this is a big deal, so it adds a confirmation step to prevent accidents. A pop-up window will appear that says, "I understand that deleting is permanent and can't be undone." You have to check that box to confirm you know what you're doing. Once you do, the final Delete Forever button will light up. Take a last look, take a deep breath, and click it. The video and all its analytics are now gone for good. One of the best things about using a desktop is the ability to delete multiple videos at once. This is a lifesaver if you're rebranding or clearing out a whole series of old content. To do this, go to your content list. Instead of hovering, look for the little checkboxes to the left of your video thumbnails. Check the box for every video you want to get rid of. If you want to scrap everything on the page, you can use the main checkbox at the top to select them all at once. Once you've made your selection, a new menu bar appears at the top. Click on More Actions, and from that drop-down, select Delete Forever. You'll see the same confirmation pop up, but this time it will tell you exactly how many videos you're about to erase. You'll have to check the box again to acknowledge this is irreversible, and then click the final Delete Forever button. This bulk delete feature is powerful, so please use it with caution and always double check what you've selected. Sometimes you need to manage your channel on the fly, and thankfully you can delete videos right from your phone. The process is a little different depending on which app you use, the main YouTube app or the YouTube Studio app, but both are easy for single deletions. Just know you can't bulk delete videos from a mobile device. Let's start with the standard YouTube app. Open it up and make sure you're logged in.
Tap your profile icon, which is usually in the bottom right corner. From there, tap Your Channel, and then select Videos.
This will pull up a list of all your uploads. Scroll to the video you want to remove. To the right of the title, you'll see the three-dot menu icon. Tap it. A menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen. Tap Delete, and a final confirmation will ask if you're sure. Tap Delete one last time, and the video is gone. The process is pretty much the same in the YouTube Studio mobile app. Open the Studio app and tap Content on the bottom menu. Find the video you want to ditch and tap the three-dot menu next to it. Just like in the main app, you'll see a delete option. Tapping it brings up that final warning that the action is permanent. Confirm, and it's gone. While mobile is handy for a quick cleanup, the desktop version of YouTube Studio is still the king for serious channel management, with its better filtering and bulk action tools. We've covered how to delete a video, but now we need to talk about why you probably shouldn't. Deleting videos, especially if you do it often, can seriously hurt your channel's growth and its standing with the YouTube algorithm. The algorithm's main job is to show viewers content they'll love, keeping them on YouTube longer. It figures out what your channel is about and who your audience is by looking at the data from all your videos combined. When you delete a video, you're not just removing that one upload, you're erasing a piece of your channel's history. Every view, every minute of watch time, and every comment is a data point the algorithm uses to recommend your other content. Removing that data erases all of that, which can confuse the algorithm and make it harder for it to recommend your other content. In fact, YouTube's own product leads have warned creators about deleting videos, advising them not to do it without a very good reason. The thinking is that when you delete a video, you delete your channel's connection to the audience that watched it. Think about it that way. Every video is a bridge to a specific part of your audience. Deleting the video tears down that bridge. Frequent deletions can make your channel look unstable to YouTube, which might lead to fewer of your videos showing up in recommendations and search results. Even if a video isn't a superstar, it might still be quietly contributing to your channel's authority on a topic. It could be getting a trickle of views from a specific search term, and deleting it closes that door for good. Unless a video has sensitive info, violates a policy, or creates a legal risk, keeping it is often better than deleting it. So if deleting is so risky, what do you do with old videos that are off-brand, outdated, or just not up to your current standards? The answer is to use visibility settings. Instead of deleting, you should unlist or private the video. This is how the pros manage their content library. Let's break down the difference. An unlisted video is the most powerful alternative to deletion. When a video is unlisted, it's hidden from your public channel page. It won't pop up in search results, and it won't be in your subscribers' feeds. However, and this is the key part, an unlisted video keeps all of its data. All the views and watch time still count towards your channel's lifetime analytics. This lets you clean up your public-facing channel without destroying the data you worked for. It's perfect for hiding videos that no longer fit your brand. You can even switch an unlisted video back to public later if you change your mind. A private video is even more restrictive. It can only be seen by you and specific Google accounts you personally invite, up to 50. It can't be shared with a link. Like unlisted videos, private videos also keep their data, though the stats are hidden from public view. This is great for videos you want to keep for your own records or for sharing internally before a launch. While the individual video stats are hidden, its contributions to your channel's overall metrics, like total watch time, remain intact. To change a video's visibility, just go to the Content tab in YouTube Studio. Find the video, click the three-dot menu in the Visibility column, choose Private or Unlisted, and hit Save. It's that easy. By using these settings, you control your public image while keeping your channel's data and algorithmic health intact. In almost every case, short of a legal or policy issue, unlisting is a much better choice than deleting. So now you know not only how to delete a YouTube video, but more importantly, how to manage your content the right way. The key takeaways are simple. Always download a backup first. Follow the steps for desktop or mobile, knowing that delete forever is final. And remember, most of the time, the smartest move isn't to delete at all, but to use unlisted or private settings to curate your channel while protecting your data. Managing a YouTube channel is about more than just uploading new stuff. It's about strategically handling your entire library. Using these tips will help you keep your channel looking professional and optimized for growth. Now, I have a question for you. Have you ever regretted deleting a video? Let me know your story in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you found this guide helpful, do me a solid and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I post videos just like this every week to help you become a YouTube master. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.